Today we'll show you how to install vinyl stripe to your car. Put tape on the vinyl in the middle and on each end. Can you see me, Emma?
Mm-hmm.
Position the stripe where you would like it to sit on the vehicle. When you're happy with the position, tape it down and tape it across the center of the car. Okay, you want to move in, Maria? Peel off one side. And slowly remove the backing tape away. Cut away the backing tape. Position the tape in the correct place. And using a motion away, begin to apply the stripe. Once we've reached that section, you can remove that tape. We can remove the next part of the film and hold it. Position it back in the correct place. And do the same procedure of pushing from the center away. Once you have that section, you can remove the rest of the tape. Once again, same direction. You can then remove this tape, give it a final press, we can now remove the backing tape by holding it flat against itself and slowly remove the cover paper. We then use our knife. Move in, Maria. Press down on the joint. You may use a squeegee or a ruler to cut down the center of the stripe. Back slowly off, right? And the stripe is now applied. Back off, back right off, stand up so you can see the whole stripe. Okay, stop.